welcome back to Pump with Purpose. This is Dr. Diana here, and I am here to talk about the Ardo Alyssa breast pump. So I want to get my full disclaimers and full disclosures out up front. I'm not an affiliate of Ardo. This pump was gifted to me by Ardo, and I am doing a review on it. But it's my thoughts on the pump and all of that. So I want to jump right in. Going to do in all of my reviews a full assembly of the pump, products, flanges and everything, and then I will give you information on how to operate the pump, and then I will give my initial thoughts on the pump. So let's jump right in. So first is the piece. This is the 26 flange tunnel, and then if you don't use something else, it also has a 22 that you can pop inside of it if you wanted to size it down to a 22. So here you would take the duckbill here, pop it on. You have the bottle, pop it on. You have the membrane of the backflow protector to go here, and then you do kind of a twist. So I'm going to show you. It's always important for me to show you how to assemble the pump. Some people think it's so easy or so intuitive, and it's not all the time. So you take it, pop it on, and you do a twist. So hope that's helpful. You know that it will, when both are assembled, the piece kind of goes to the back. So let's do that. So that is a fully assembled pump, pieces that go with the pump. And now let's talk about the Ardo Alyssa. I'm going to jump right in. So this pump, you did not know, is one of the few, if not only, I think it's the only, I don't think I know of anyone that's created it yet. This pump has a built-in power pumping feature. So all my power pumping people out there that have to remember 20 minutes on, 10 minutes pause, 10 minutes pumping, 10 minutes pause, 10 minutes pumping again, this pump does it all for you. It's a built-in feature. It's a very popular feature if people really like to power pump and like the pause, all of a sudden you can't remember what it was and all the things. This pump has it built in for you. Yeah, one of the few, if not only. I can't say it's only one that I'm aware of. How about we say that? It's the only pump on the market that I'm aware of with the built-in power pumping feature. So I want to make sure that is explicit. It's the only pump that I'm aware of. So let's jump right in. So to turn the pump on, it is rechargeable. So you turn the pump on. One thing was really cool. If this isn't in, it's not going to work. And I was like, wait a minute. And then I was like, let me make sure this is in. So when I put it in and started, it's just fine. So I'm going to reset the settings down to 1 so you can hear all of them. You know, when I do my pump reviews, I walk you through each of them. So it starts up on the massage side. It is, kind of get closer to see that it's red here. And then I'll show you when it's an expression, it flips to green. So I'm back in the massage mode here. So I'm going to go through each of the settings for you. So I want to be clear. It has 8 cycle setting options and 8 vacuum settings options for massage as well as expression. You heard that right. 8 different options for cycles and 8 different options for the vacuum levels. I can't go through all of those like on each side. I'm kind of just, I'll let you hear like the top and the bottom just to like let you know. But how you know is for the cycle side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll see it all there and then the 8 there. So this has a lot of setting options, a lot on each side, 64 options on the expression side and 64 options for settings on the expression side. Yeah, you heard that right. So this is cycle 1. I'm gonna go through cycle 1 and I'll go through cycle 8 and let you hear all of them so you can just hear the difference. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then that is the 8 settings on level 1 and then on cycle 1, and then I'll let you hear cycle 8. I think that's an easy way so you can hear all of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I let you hear. Okay, and then I'm gonna get it to go back down. Okay. So I'll let you hear the different cycles from 8 down to 7. So this is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's on the expression side. So now I will go over to, I'm sorry, that was the massage side. Now I'm going to go over to the expression side. So let me clear all these. I'm a big fan of clearing down settings. I'll give you that as some secret sauce. You don't want to blast it in full speed ahead. So kind of always making sure to clear the settings down if possible. That's what we recommend. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the 8. And then I will let you hear the 8th one. Okay. So let me take the cycle up to 8. So and remind you again, 8 cycles and 8 vacuums on massage and expression. Yeah. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just wanted you to hear all the wide range of options that it has on the massage mode as well as the expression side. So that is that piece of it. And then the power pumping feature. So it has the save button is here, but then so I'll show you that side is the save. It has like a save, looks like a disc. And then the power pumping feature that does it for you, you will press it and then it turns into the power pumping option where you just let it run for up to an hour and it'll give you 20 minutes of pumping, 10 minutes pause, 10 minutes of pumping, 10 minutes pause, 10 minutes of pumping. So it's a total of an hour, 60-minute session, but it does it all for you without you having to remember a thing. So for my power pumping people, this is an amazing feature to be able to offer that. So I wanted to tell you, I don't, at least in the manual that that I've read so far, I'm not able to know what the actual numbers are for the cycle speeds, but in the manual it states that the range is from 23 mmHg to 248 mmHg. So for me, I was able to find plenty of comfort levels. For me, it's not too strong, not too weak, which are things that I like for my pain tolerance, my level of comfort for me. So I did find a nice range. It's definitely wasn't too strong or too weak on either end, which are things for me to look for when I help clients, when I try to help them understand their pain tolerance. I'm really, really good at understanding what my pain tolerance is. And so when I help to help people do the same, we ask a series of questions and we kind of come up with that to kind of provide pump suggestions to you. But this pump is not too strong, not too weak. Plenty of options, not too loud in any way. Has the power pumping feature, one of the only pumps that I know on the market that offers that option. I have some avid power pumping people out here in these pumping streets, and so to make sure that you know that is an option to have is very, very important. So this is the Ardo Alyssa. I want to get my full disclaimers and full disclosures out again. I am not an affiliate of Ardo. This pump was gifted to me by Ardo, and I am doing a review on this pump. So this is Dr. Diana here. Until next time with Pump with Purpose.